शस्त्र। गढ़ बैठो शस्त्र। श्रीमान आपका निरीक्षण करें, गार्ड अगर है। गार्ड बैठल शस्त्र। सेंट्री कर रहे। गार्ड विश्व छह।
Dignity and reverence, I extend my respectable pronouns to my Lord Honorable Sri Justice N. Jayasuriya Garu, Judge, Honorable High Court of Andhra Pradesh. Now I request Honorable
Thank you, sir.
Pradesh at Amravati, Administrative Judge for Chittoor District and ex-officio chairperson and chief mentor of this workshop. This workshop is being graciously presided over by His Lordship. I, on my own behalf and on behalf of the District Judiciary Chittoor, respectfully and reverentially extend a warm welcome to His Lordship. We are indeed privileged to have the august presence of His Lordship as the chief mentor of this workshop. I humbly express my sincere gratitude to His Lordship for graciously sparing his valuable time to preside over this workshop despite His Lordship's busy schedule and prior commitments. The presence of Sri Virupaksha Dattatreya Gowda Garu and Sri G.V. Krishnaya Garu, retired district judges as resource persons, gives us immense pleasure. Their vast experience and deep understanding of criminal law will undoubtedly enrich this workshop and provide valuable guidance to all judicial officers. On behalf of the District Judiciary Chittoor Unit, I express my sincere gratitude to the resource persons for graciously consenting to share their valuable time, experience and expertise for this workshop. I also extend a pleasant good morning to all the judicial officers present here. A workshop in its true sense is a platform for interactive learning, discussion and practical engagement. The present particular focus on the significant changes introduced under the new criminal laws, namely the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, the Bharatiya Nagarika Suraksha Sanhita and Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam. The objective of this workshop is to equip judicial officers with a clear, practical and updated understanding of these legislative changes and their application in day-to-day judicial work. Today's theme of the workshop includes important and contemporary subtopics relating to the transition from the existing criminal law framework to the newly enacted statutes. The subtopics identified for this workshop are interplay between the Indian Penal Code, and Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita with focus on newly introduced offences and offences omitted. Symphony between the pattern of the punishments under the new criminal laws and constitutional safeguards as to ex post facto laws covered under Article 20, 1 of the Constitution of India, along with Section 6 of the General Clauses Act 1897. Interact with our experienced resource persons. The guidance of His Lordship will further enrich our understanding on the subject. Before I conclude, I submit that this workshop has been organized under the able guidance of His Lordship in strengthening the quality of judicial work. Once again, I sincerely thank His Lordship for entrusting me with this responsibility of serving as the nodal officer for this workshop. Now it is time to hear the inaugural address of His Lordship, which we are all eagerly looking forward to. Without any further ado, I respectfully request His Lordship to kindly commence the session by delivering the inaugural address. Thank you, Varun.
Coming to today's topic and the workshop, in fact, I'm not feeling well for the last couple of days, but I don't want to rather miss this opportunity for two reasons. One is all the officers, in fact, they have done a commendable work to make the function of laying foundation stone a grand success. So after the function was over, because of time constraints, rather I could not meet all the officers. So I thought it is a good opportunity to me to meet all the officers and congratulate all of them for doing a very good work. And another thing is today's topics really interesting topics, and by participating in this type of workshops, perhaps we'll also learn so many things. So I thought I should not miss this opportunity. So though I am not feeling well, I thought I should attend this today's workshop. Especially all the new officers who are rather recently recruited, they will be facing with a number of doubts. So which one is to be applied, which one is to be followed, and all these things. So the purpose of this workshop is to interact with all the officers and try to clarify the doubts, so that in their day-to-day functions, especially magistrates. So feel free to share your doubts, seek clarifications from our resource persons, or they are well-experienced retired judges. They have served on the judiciary side for a quite long time. So take this opportunity, and if anything is there, please let us know. Even after the session is over, some of the doubts may sometimes what happens we may not be. In fact, I have on a personal friend, we may not be in a position to clarify you, but the purpose is to interact and exchange our views also. Our view may be right or wrong, that is a different aspect, but there should be a discussion, interaction. So with these opening words, I wish you all the best. Thank you.